Okay, with your iX35, take your pry tool. First we're going to pop this part out. So we're working our way around the edges of this part here. This. If you need to unplug this, you just push down on the tabs and then you can pull the plug out. Behind here you have two Phillips head screws. We're going to remove these screws and we're going to remove this top piece. Working around the edge like this. This, and now we have two more screws here and here, so we're going to remove these screws next. This one. This. And remove these plugs. This one is for the radio antenna, and these ones for the plugs. Just pushing down on these tabs. And remove the plug like this. Make sure you don't scratch your dash with this metal. Okay, I've plugged the harness in here. This plugs into the unit here for power. I've plugged in the USB adapters. This black one coming off the harness, that's for the factory USB port to work with the screen. And this grey one is the extra USB. I've run this down here and out to the glove box here. And put where you like. I like to put it in here. The radio antenna cable just plugs straight in here. And here we have the 4G dongle, the GPS dongle, which is this one. This black box in here is the GPS dongle, and this is the Wi-Fi antenna, this long flat one here. Okay, and that's Wi-Fi there. So just make sure these two are plugged in the right way around. Wi-Fi, GPS. And this one for reverse camera. We're gonna plug our reverse camera cable in here. And this one, long one, is for the microphone. Now this one has to be pushed in very firmly. Make sure you push it in really hard so it's really stuck in there. Otherwise the microphone might not connect. So when that's in firmly, plugging in, And this microphone cable I passed through from behind the steering wheel, along here, out here, okay, and up here. And there's the microphone. Okay, and then we just tuck this back like this, and put this back like this. And this piece can come off here. So that's everything plugged in. If you're going to connect the reverse camera, we connect to this one. And I just use the same path as this. Put the reverse camera wire going out down here and along the back of the car, along the roof. And that's how you do that. Putting the screen in place. I used the clips from this piece. I took off the white clips and put them on here. So 1, 2, 3, 4 white clips. Make sure that clips on correctly, and the whole piece will clip into place. This is what you see when you turn on the screen. We're going to go here, and here we can set the steering wheel controls, SW learning. For this model, gonna hit start. We can press the steering wheel controls and then press the key to program it. Volume down, track back, track forward, mute, mode. Sometimes some buttons don't work. They only work with the original head unit. So you may not have all the buttons. This button doesn't work on this car. This one's work. Answer call. Hang up call. It's only one button not working. And it's not a very useful button anyway, mode. So we programmed our steering wheel. Everything working. In here you have radio. This one is scan the radio. And you can see it starts saving in the stations for you. Nice and easy. And I like to put the Apple CarPlay to reorganize this. Go in the apps, the Apple CarPlay Z-Link 5. Grab that one and put it on the home screen. And then we've got the most important app there, ready to go. This phone one, you can connect to your phone. Radio. Change the DPS, the volume, the sound presets for the speakers in here. Play around a little like this. And change the name of the Bluetooth in here. In this case, IX35. IX35. Now it's ready to connect your phone to the Bluetooth. That's the pin code 0000. And enjoy your CarPlay unit.